Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the general overview of the Threads app. The Threads app is an Instagram text-based conversation app. The Threads app is a record-breaking app. The Threads app broke the record to become the fastest growing app ever, gaining over 100 million users in less than a week. So guys, I'm going to be taking you through all the features of this record-breaking app so that you can get to know all that you need to know in this app. So guys, make sure you watch the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, first of all, let's launch into our app. Tap on your Threads app to open it. So guys, if you're opening the Threads app for the first time, this is what the interface looks like. So guys, I'm going to start from the home page. As you can see, we're on the home page, and what you're going to see on the home page are the posts of every creator. You can see them. You can see the posts. You can see all their posts. You can see all their threads. So guys, let me go through the home page once and for all. So guys, let's dissect this thread posted by Marakel Love. You can see now it has 366 replies and 369 likes. If you want to actually like this post, all you have to do is to tap on like. If you want to comment, you tap on the comment icon. You can see it there. Tap on it. Then you can give your comment. If you want to repost, you tap on the repost icon. You can see it there. You tap on it. Then you can see you can repost. You can also quote as well. If you want to share, you can tap on the share icon. You can see it there. You tap on it. You can see you can share to your Instagram story. You can post to your Instagram feed. You can also copy the link of this post, and you can also share via other means. Let's check to see other means. You can see you can share on Chrome, you can share on WhatsApp and Facebook and every other social media network. So guys, under this same post, you can also tap on the three dots above. You tap on it. So guys, you can see these features here. You can actually make use of them. If you tap on the first option, which is mute, you can see you can actually mute this person, this creator. You say you can unmute them from their profile. Threads won't let them know you muted them. If you want to mute this post, you just tap on mute post. And also you can hide this post. Let me tap on hide. You can see the post has been hidden. You can also undo. You can see, let's tap on the three dots above again. You can also block this person if you want to. You can see, if you want to block, just tap on block. You can also, let's tap on the three dots again. You can also report this account if you want to report. You can also report this phone maybe for scam or fraud or spam or any other reasons. So guys, this is all there is to the home section, the post section and everything. Let's go over to the search icon. Tap on it. So guys, this is where you actually search for your favorite creator. You can search for Cristiano Ronaldo, or you search for Mercy. You can search for Mercy and you're going to see their profile over here. Whichever creator that you love, the people that you like following, you can go ahead and search for them and you will get their profile and you get to follow them as well. So guys, let's go over to the next section, which is the post section. Let's tap on it. So guys, this is where you can actually post a thread. You can actually construct your thread. You can make a post just by tapping and using the text function. You can see it. You can also import pictures and photos from your gallery. Just tap on that gallery icon. Tap on it. You see it has taken us to our gallery. You can go ahead to choose pictures. You can go ahead to choose videos. And you can choose up to 10 photos and 10 videos. So guys, once you're done choosing them, you tap on done. You can see our picture, you can see our video. So guys, this is how you go ahead to create a thread and make a post. You can also use the add to thread feature by tapping on it. You can also put another text and also import another photos or videos. Tap on done. You can see you can also tap again to create another thread. You can see it. So guys, this is how you use the create icon, the create post icon. So let me cancel out of this thread. I don't want to post this thread. So guys, let's go over to the love section icon. You can see it over there. Tap on it. This is where you check your activities, all these people that are following you and people that you followed. You can also check for replies, the posts that you replied to, the comments that you made, and people that mentioned you on their threads or their posts. So guys, let's go over to the last one, which is your Threads app profile. You tap on it. This is where you do the behind the scene creator job. You can go ahead to tap on edit profile. You can edit here your bio, your name, you can add a link. And you can also make your Threads app account private by tapping on the private profile. Let me cancel out of this. You can also share your profile link by tapping on the share profile. Tap on it. You can see you can share on WhatsApp, you can share on Facebook, you can share on TikTok. So guys, there is also a two horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can tap on it. This is where you can actually set your account. You can set your notification, you can set your privacy, your language, your about, your follow and invite friends. You can see you can do a lot of things here. You can also log out of your account using this feature, and also you can see the Instagram icon over there. By tapping on it, it's going to redirect you back to your Instagram account. So guys, this is the general overview of the Threads app, and this app is actually amazing and is similar to Elon Musk's Twitter. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye. Thanks.